Two people here with me. I got Jess and I got Cynthia. Jess is going to represent the advanced client. For you advanced people up there, we're going to start to kick it up a little bit. And Cynthia is going to represent the beginner. Okay, today's workout, guys, we're going to do sit-up and get-ups coupled with dead swings. Again, we're still working ladder drills. So Jess is going to be on her back. She's going to demonstrate the advance. She's going to use 2 kettlebells. Right now she's working with 2 8s. And Cynthia is going to be on her back. She's going to have 1 kettlebell. Alright? So here's what we want to do, guys. Each time, right now they're going to start out with 5 sit-up and get-ups. Go ahead. Notice Cynthia has 1. She can use 2 hands or 1 hand, depending on your level with kettlebells. Once they're done with their 5 reps, they're going to go to their kettlebell and give me 10 dead swings. Nice. Awesome. Eyes are forward. They're breathing. Their dead swings are with 35s. If you've got a heavier bell, you can swing with a heavier bell. Their number is 10 this round. And they're pushing. Nice. Awesome. Good. Beautiful. You got it. Nice. Keep going. Alright, their second round, guys, they're going back to their sit-up and get-ups. Now they're doing 4. Alright, so they're doing 4 sit-up and get-ups that second round. Got it? And up. Nice. Keeping those bells close to the ears. As I come up, I want to drive it behind me. I want to stay under that bell, drive those heels down. If the legs go up, you need to fire those heels to the floor so we can get that core going, guys. Awesome. Keep that core engaged. Alright, now they're coming up. And they're going to do 8 dead swings with the bell. Nice. Breathing. Right now that heart rate is going up. We're being challenged. Remember, guys, my goal is to get this workout in 20 minutes. If you're getting it in before 20 minutes, maybe you should get some heavier bells. But right now, this is only workout 3, guys. So we're going to stay at a nice smooth level, just getting through. Some of you might be over 20, some of you might be under. Awesome, guys. Thank you. So the next step, they would do 3 sit-up and get-ups and 6. Then we would move it down, guys. It's a ladder drill. Give it a shot, guys. I'll see you tomorrow on workout 4. Thank you.